Check, we have to get out?
Yeah.
Dang. Let me be, let me be. Boys, hey, feeling good? Back? Feel a little better?
A little bit.
All right. We got a long travel. Yeah. No, we got 5 and then 16. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dante, 1 million likes in 5 hours. That's the most we ever got. Close to it. 1 million likes in 5 hours? Sheesh.
I know. Hey, let him go, let him go.
Uh,
Let him go.
I forgot we was live. W's in the chat.
Thank you. Bus.
Can you go back?
And I must say green, bruh. Good. Thank you. I'm amazing. How are you?
Don't get out of the way. How does it feel to be pre-screened before going to the airport?
Pre-screen? Feels like I'm a regular pedestrian.
You feel safe?
I do feel safe. I'm glad this is the process. You know, because otherwise it could go south.
It could be bad.
It could be bad. It could be bad, chat. You know, W security. Dang, I ain't posting on TikTok. Freak. What is it called?
Hey, we got 15 minutes.
Oh, we in a hurry?
We got 15. 15. Which car is that pointing you?
Focus. Oh, this side, this side.
You good? Good to go.
window up? Thank you. We are at the airport. Gwanda, we have made it to the airport. Big W's for you guys being in the chat. Appreciate you guys supporting me. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate the energy you guys have shown me, the respect you guys have showed me being out here in Kigali. I truly have felt like I'm at home. I felt like I didn't need to leave. I feel like I have overstayed my welcoming. So I told you guys I was only staying for 1 day. But we stayed for 4 days. We did three nights, I believe, for 4 days. So it was definitely a W. Oh, it's kind of quiet here. That's good. Dang, nobody's at the airport right now. That's good. We get to chill.
No.
Huh?
No, we get to chill.
Yeah, we're not late. I mean, yeah, we're late, but at least we didn't gotta take like a whole bunch of photos and stuff. Final moments in Gwanda.
What's up?
Who am I? I'm God's child. Huh? I'm from America. Yeah. Amazing time. Let me be, let me be. W's in the chat. Africa tour complete. Final moments here with my boy. A start of a new chapter, a new friendship, new brotherhood. God is good.
God is amazing.
Now I got somebody I could talk to on a normal. You can call me. I'm gonna get your number now since we won't be together every day.
Yeah.
You can call me whenever.
Yes.
Call me, text me, anything you need, you hit me.
Yeah. Thank you.
What you about to do? What you about to do now?
He about to start working. He about to start grinding. It's grind time now. It's all on you now. I'm leaving you to the city, Gwanda. It's in your hands. The people looking up to you. They counting on you to get those videos to the world.
Yeah.
So you can show them how beautiful Gwanda is. Everybody's gonna want to visit Gwanda now because of you.
Yeah.
100%. So you gotta push the legacy, bro. You gotta push it, man.
Why are you doing that?
We're gonna do a team picture. Yeah, we can do a team picture. Final moments in Gwanda, man. I'm thankful, feeling blessed. I really couldn't ask God for any more than what He's given me already. I couldn't, even if I had nothing. Even if I had nothing but Him, that's all I need. See if he can hold the camera too so we can do this group picture. He got that. All right, boom. Let's run it right here. Team picture. Everybody. Everybody who's a part of this team. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let me be, let me be.
We're getting choked up. Ash, quick picture, come on. What is that? Get in the picture. Where's Dante, get in the picture. Stop walking around. That boy trying to orchestrate. Get in the picture, boy. Can you see them over there? Make sure you get everybody. It's a stream photo.
Now we got a camera right here.
Came out good?
Who's it? Who is it?
All right, one more vertical, vertical. 3, 2. Gwanda.
Yeah.
Gwanda.
Ghana is amazing.
Wanda!
Rwanda
All right,
is the
chat.
best. Best city.
Last and final moments.
Yeah.
I appreciate you guys for watching. Everybody in America, everybody in Gwanda, all of Africa. Africa tour was amazing. We didn't find African Ashton Hall, but we did find Ashton Small.
Yeah.
My guy went from 40K to 450,000. Grew as a community. He's gonna hit 1 million. We passed him the torch. He is in control now of his destiny. We'll remain boys, brothers. I thank God for this friendship. I thank God for you. You know, you're a heavy hitter. You make me want to be more peaceful and nice and kind to everybody.
Yeah.
I truly see Christ in you, and that's what it is to be a Christian. But anyways, I love you guys. Ashton Small, love you guys. You know, Jesus is King. You never forget. W's in the chat. We out. Woo!